craft kids.
Today we're gonna try a 1, 2, 3, 4 trick that we saw online. We didn't come up with it, but we've gotta try it. Ready? We're gonna write the numbers 1 through 4 in a diagonal fashion. And the 1 has to be kind of tiny. So just a straight number 1. And then the 2 is gonna be much bigger. It's gonna be like, again, diagonally. So the 2 is gonna be one of these kind of 2s. And then the 3, as long as the bump part of the 3 comes above this line, we're good. So we're gonna go like this. 3. And 4 is gonna be right about here. And it's gonna look like that. It's not gonna go through. Okay, number 1 gets turned into an apple. This is the stem. Turn that around. Turn that around. And put on a little leaf. Awesome. And we're going to connect this to a branch. I might just have my branch go right up like that. Hanging off of it for good measure. Okay, number 2, we turn into a trunk, an elephant trunk. And we do that by a little bump, bump, and we mimic the edge of the 2. Okay, and then we come here, we're going to bring that in, and then straight out, just like an elephant's mouth. And then it's going to curve down a little bit below the bottom of the 3. And then this is going to go down, all the way down to here and form the front leg. Just like that. There we go. Nice. That was looking pretty cool.
Sir, yes, sir, Mom.
Now we're gonna connect this right there. And we're gonna give it a little elephant eye, just a curve. It's got the eye closed.
Which doesn't make sense because he's trying to reach for the apple.
We could put a little dot on it, make it open. You wanna do that? Let's do that. Now he's got an open eye. All right, neat. So we're almost there. We're gonna complete the back leg and then bring that up and curve that around. And then we do a tail. So it's just a line with some other lines on it. And then we add any details we want, like a front leg, another front leg. So I'm going to do a bent one. It's going to look like this. And I'm going to do a rear leg, which is just going to be standing. Okay. And now we're going to add some skin folds. So like, much like we have on our knuckles, there's some skin lines here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then circle it. And then we're going to do the same on every knee. It's just a nice quick way to do it. You don't have to think too much about it. Nice. And then put some toenails, just some upside down U's. job with those. Very well done. Some trunk lines. We'll just add the ground. It doesn't even have to be straight. All right, and then we'll just color that in super quick, and we'll be done. This was a really cool project.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4! Elephant using a special trick. Elephant getting an apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was pretty cool. It really did work. We weren't sure how it was going to go when we tried it, but we had a blast, and it came out pretty cool, didn't it, Matt?
Yeah, it came out really good.
We added some shading that you don't have to add, but however you decided to color it, I'm sure it came out awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So, until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye! Say something.
Christmas! Christmas! Door! Door! Christmas!
Looking up at these like, why are we saying Christmas and door? Why are we saying that?
It's a Christmas.
You're a goofs.